Hello everyone! Today we are going to study colors in Germany, die Farben in Deutschland. And we will start our lesson with tongue twister. The first time I read and you just listen, and the next time you will repeat after me. Es grün so grün, wenn Spaniens blüten blühen. Don't forget about umlaut. Try it. Okay. Es grün so grün, wenn Spaniens Blüten blühen. Try to do it faster. Es grün so grün, wenn Spaniens Blüten blühen. And you will have time to revise it at home and learn it by heart, and it will certainly improve your pronunciation. Okay, and our topic is colors. White is weiß. Very similar, yeah? Orange is orange. Orange. Red is rot. Rot. Blue is blau. Brown. It's the same as in English. Gray is grau. Violet is lila. Green is grün. Pink is rosa. And yellow is gelb. Not quite similar, yeah? And how can we memorize this color? We can make association with word gold. Gold is yellow, yellow golds, gelb golds. Now let's look at some examples. Orangen sind orange. Zitronen sind gelb. Erdbeeren sind rot. Blaubeeren sind blau. And now let's practice. Was sind Orangen? I'll give you some time. You can revise colors. You can write down your answer if you want to. Okay, and the answer is orange. You're right. The next question is, welche Farben haben Blaubeeren? And you're right, it's blau. Okay, now let's revise some phrases that we learned the previous lesson. If you don't remember the meaning, it's in the right side of the slide. Ja, richtig. Nein, falsch. Fast. Okay, and let's practice these phrases. Sind Zitronen rot? answer using the phrases. Ist das grün? Okay, and the answers are: Nein, falsch. Zitronen sind gelb. Goldgelb, if you remember. And ja, richtig. Das ist grün. Okay, and the homework for the next lesson is to repeat the tongue twister and choose one of these tasks. You can draw pictures using colors that we studied today and point out and say what color is it. Or you can choose few colors and write down the things with that colors, for example, gelb Zitronen, rot Erdbeeren, anything you like. If you have any question, if you hadn't understand anything, you can always write me on my email, or we'll meet at school next week and you can ask me any question. I'll explain everything. So thank you for your attention. Have a good day.